Today on the menu is a super quick and easy mushroom recipe along with a delicious stir-fry sauce that takes this dish to the ultimate level of yumminess. Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi, and today it is all about mushrooms. Let's start with making the delicious sauce. My bowl is ready to receive all the ingredients. Soy sauce goes in, followed by apple cider vinegar. You can use any vinegar according to your preference. Then tomato ketchup. I always like adding tomato ketchup to most of my stir-fry dishes, as it brings in such a nice richness to the sauce that you won't even imagine. Then some red chili sauce for that heat. Next comes a sweet element, sugar. Then water, or you can use vegetable stock and a little bit of sesame oil to get that beautiful nutty flavor. Next comes a thickener, cornstarch or corn flour depending on which part of the world you are in and what you may want to call it. Stir well so that all the cornstarch disperses well in the water, and please do give it a stir one more time before adding the sauce to the pan, as the cornstarch tends to settle down at the bottom of the bowl. Okay, that's our sauce. Now let's move on to the cooking part. Pan out, and since it is a stir-fry recipe, keep all your ingredients ready because once the cooking starts, everything will move very fast. Stir-fry recipes are super quick when it comes to cooking, but it takes a while to do all that prep work. Okay, I added oil to my screaming hot pan. Keep the heat on medium and add the garlic. Whenever it comes to any stir-fry recipe, never chop garlic too fine, as they will burn getting that high heat. Stir the garlic for a few seconds. Then in goes chopped ginger. Stir it for a few seconds. Now you increase the heat of your stove to high. Then the mushrooms dive in. Do not add any salt at this point, because if you add salt now, then your mushrooms will be swimming in water, and by the time you get rid of all that water, your mushrooms will be tasting just like shoestrings. And who wants to have stir-fried shoestrings? Not me. Here, let me show you. No, not me having shoestrings. But see, even without adding salt, see how much water the mushrooms have released. You have to get rid of all that liquid. Spread the mushrooms in a single layer and stir them frequently on high heat till all that water evaporates. Okay, as you can see, the water has dried up now. So time for the other vegetables to enter the pan. Colorful bell peppers enter one by one. And finally red onions. Then freshly crushed black pepper. Though my huge paw is blocking the screen, I'm surely crushing black peppercorns out there. This is what happens when you are cooking as well as controlling the camera all single-handedly. Not complaining, but that's how it works out for me. A sprinkle of salt, but not too much. Keep in mind that the sauce is already very salty with all that soy sauce in it. Now all you have to do is to stir on high heat just for a few seconds. You do not want the vegetables to lose their crunch, nor do you want them to lose their color. Then I like to add red pepper flakes, but this is totally optional. Time for that gorgeous sauce to jump in and take this dish to that ultimate level of yumminess. I'm telling you, my friends, this sauce does all the magic. Immediately the whole thing transforms into something so glossy and beautiful. But remember to stir on high heat so that the cornstarch gets cooked, or else you will get this chalky aftertaste. Then some chopped green onions for that freshness. You can add any grains according to your preference. I felt the sauce was looking too thick, so I again added about a tablespoon more of water. Probably it is an excuse to rinse out all that sauce bowl goodness, but you can definitely add a splash of water if you find your sauce to be too thick. It won't be a runny sauce, but it should still be coating all the vegetables. And look at that beauty. Each and every element is draped with that gorgeous sheen of sauce goodness. Please try this recipe, my friends, and send me your feedback. Serve this with fried rice or over noodles or pasta or over hot steamed rice. Please smash that like button so that this video reaches out to more people. Please do try this recipe and let me know what you think, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.